How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Lone Ranger Fishing and 4x4. I'm Josh, and on today's mission we're doing a solo camping mission out of the kayak. I've got the gear loaded up, got the drone, we'll get that up later. We're just going to head up river on this system, chase some brim, and then pull up river somewhere, camp overnight, and fish the morning back. If it goes to plan, it goes to plan. If not, we'll do it again. All right, we'll see you when the fish are biting and they're on board. See ya. Oh, he's a upgrade from the last. Slowly getting there. Hey. Slightly bigger than the last one. Not bad. There we go. He's gone back. On to the next one. Yep, and another one. Another rat. But catching them is fun. Sorry, mate. All right. This is it. Just gonna pull up in here and this will be home for the night. It's gonna be me, set up camp in here. Let's get in there while Alright, let's go check out home, huh? Start a camp. And that is camp for the night. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna chill out, have a drink, and enjoy the views. If the wind dies off a little bit, I'll throw the drone up, give you a look around me. And yeah, it was a good morning on the water. Got about 6 brim, all rats though. It's good fun testing some new colors for FLT, and it's been a success so far with the new colors. Alrighty, well, I'll see you when the campfire's cranking and I'm chilling out. Alright guys, have a good one. Alright guys, just throwing some sausages on the barbie on the campfire, and then gonna tuck into some food and chill out some more. Good morning everybody. We're up. I'm gonna get camp packed up and hit the water on the way back. Chase some brim. Looks like clouds coming over. So that might put a dampen, but we'll go from there. See you in the water once camp's packed up. Birds are up bright and early. Ooh. Alright guys, camp's all packed up, heading off the water now. Gonna start making my way back down river, chase some brim until I get back, and then that will be me. If I catch fish, I'll bring you with me. If not, I'll see you on the outro. Alright guys, have a good one. Alright guys, that's the trip done and dusted. Solo camping mission out of my kayak. Went really well. A few things to adjust with what I take and how I camp out of the kayak. On to the next one. It was an awesome trip. Thanks for watching. If you like this stuff, like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you will. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.